today. Doesn't need to be, a significant day. Just that you trade with discipline and with intention. But 239, let's go to daily chart on this quick. We can do the pep talks later. We can do the pep talks another day. We don't got a lot of time. 252. I'll put some at the $0.50. I'm gonna focus. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on BNA. BNA. That will be the focus. Yes, it will. Whoa. Little early morning lag here. Delay. Do some test orders. We're having an issue where the bid and the ask are not showing clearly. That was a nice little pop there. Oh, shoot. 256. Wow. What the? Did you see that? Did you see that? It's all these 50-50 traders. It's what it is. I know where they're going to sell. I freaking taught them this strategy. Wow, slow exit. Down 200. I know where they're going to freaking sell. Yet I'm failing to trade my own strategy. This is interesting. I can't believe I'm down $300 already. It was not even that bad of action either. I mean, it wasn't the best, but... I'm going to size down the 2700. There we go. I'm going to use limit orders, I guess, for a little bit. Let it drop, and then let it drop a little bit more, and then buy. And then hold it. Try to tell my dad what trades to take while I'm trading when I don't have any profit. So this is not the best moving ticker. Look at that, straight down. Sellers are not very friendly. I do see this one moving. If we want to go over to the pennies. I don't really want to go over the pennies that quick, but look at this. We didn't even break through the apex point here either. Which sucks. I gotta remember that yesterday was almost red. I don't suspect that's going to hold. Wow, look at that. It was worth a shot. I tried to add big there for a reversal, but it rejected. This one's gonna go on my naughty list pretty soon. It's a naughty stock. Wow, I bought high. I bought really high. That was $400 or $500 profit. It's not bad. This thing's a little shaky. Not? Oh my gosh. This thing is a stock from hell. Everyone's on Lucy again. Freaking Lucy. Get off of Lucy, would you? Okay, let's type in Lucy. I don't know if I want to go to Lucy. Yeah, it looks extended. BNAI looks like we could see some pretty big erratic moves on it. What I like about BNA is it does have range. I mean, look at that. You can fight there for like 4 cents at high, or you can just snag a quick 4 cents down here. Like the range on this one is a lot nicer, but it's still $1.80, so it's not even really that much better. Oh wow, this one might rip through VWAP. Wow. What the nutsack? What the? Next. That was so stupid. That was so stupid. Wow, why am I coughing so much? Wow, what the heck? That was a nice pop. I got nothing of it. Okay, maybe Lucy's better this whole time. Ah. Oh, man. It is just one of those days where it's just garbage. Oh wow, this thing looks primed. This thing is satanic. Look at that. That is satanic. I should have bought it down at 75. I didn't. If I could get dialed in on this one, I could start making money. It's just easy to scalp 2 pennies on this thing, so I'm just going to stick with this and try to just keep scalping, I guess. I guess I can't. Wow, I'm back red again. This market, it's garbage. Lucy, I see he's ripping. I better get over to Lucy. Wow, everybody's on Lucy, huh? It's not even that great. Stupid pennies. Doesn't look that great. Wow. At least I have 56 bucks. ASTS? Okay. Tony, yeah, the platform was a little laggy at the open. That's normal. Trying to see if we get a nice big rebound here. Had to dump it. See if we get a little pullback here and then a rebound. I don't know. This is a tough day. It's a tough day. You're not going to make money every day. That's what I have to constantly remind myself. BNAI just feels like it's got to get on a reversal and then an extended run. If I hit that extended run with 20,000 shares, 10, 20 cents, 4 grand, it's a possibility. But of course we do have Lucy. It's just the price on that is just not what I want to trade. Probably going to miss this. Frick, we're going to get stuck in a flush knot. While we have a buying pressure here, the big boys need to run this up. I can't. I don't have the desire to hold that. It is just tremendously weak. Again, buying high. Come on, what are these short sellers doing? Who's dumping it there? They've got to get pinched. As soon as I sell, it starts a selling wave. I got 300 bucks. Feels like nothing. For frick's sake. But I do appreciate this one having movement. Set timer 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 57 likes already, guys. Appreciate it. Just a little bit of a slower day today is what I would call it. That ended up rebounding 70 to 82, but not very quickly. And not with a lot of volume or conviction. So this one could be dead. But it does pop up. Like, look at that. There are, like, chunks of buying going on. So it's telling me this is not a totally worthless stock. It's pretty close. But I feel like we will get some nice rebounds on it. Like, maybe a run to VWAP in about, 20 minutes or something. Lucy, nice run. I tried a couple trades on it. Price is just a bit cheap. But, you just got to use a little different share size. The share size is a little bit different. Patterns are the same. So in reality, maybe I should just be. But then again, this doesn't look that great. So maybe this is the day where we all just shut down early and just say forget it. But we'll look for another pattern on DNAI. Gee, you know, while we're at Lucy here, let's just try Lucy for the breakthrough high day. I tell you, like, what? Let me go back over here. Let's watch this. Nice. This should have an extended run here. If the big boys are gonna step up here, this is where they need to step up. There we go. Nice. Nice. Just little ones, over and over again, over and over. Trying to teach my dad 50-50. Told him that he just needs to get in and get out on these little dips. Just rack, bring in, penny win here, penny win there. Breakthrough VWAP? Really? I think we're going to get the breakthrough VWAP. Guess not. I lost. Ah. Oh, that's funny. The stop out and then the rip. wrong thought. Now it's getting a little extended, so now you want to maybe tweak it. Micro gets in, and then you have to be quick to just get out. That's why you need to have your hockey set up real quick. Sorry, I'm giving my dad, teaching my dad how to trade this. Is what I'm doing. It's what I'm doing. Teaching my dad how to day trade. And my dad's already planning to, when he becomes profitable, he plans to just tell people that he didn't learn much from me. That's what he said. He said he's gonna get profitable and he's gonna start a channel and he's gonna be like, "Who's that guy? Never heard of Trading Farmer. Never heard of that guy. I didn't learn much from him." Oh yeah. Ah. It's just a lot of resistance up here. I mean, you're trading with such small size, you just need to not be so scared. Just have the little fun. You gotta punch it right away. Wait until the next candle. And maybe you don't want to buy it, but just take the 3 pennies. And then give it a second. If it pops back up, you got 2 points. It looks like it might not. because you got to think about who's getting trapped. It's not a really complicated matter, but this one I would wait. I'm doing study sessions with my father right now. Trying to get him up and running. Oh, this is actually coming up. Okay, do that scalping tactic now. Those quick trades, scalping tactic. If you don't take your profit right away, you lose it. Shoot. Frickin' hell. I need to stop teaching my dad because he's making me miss all this good stuff. It's a little risky here. Look for micro dips before the break. It hasn't broke yet. Hasn't broke yet. Next candle in 2 seconds. Keep just getting in and out on those dips. If it doesn't pop up right away, get out. There's the break to the apex. Now we're on a breakout. See if we can do dip within a rip. It's looking a little sketchy up here. Wait for the next candle. Maybe not. Maybe not. Topping tail. I'm going to hold tight on this. We need some time to talk about it. Right. You could try to trade it, or you could wait for more of a pullback, but I think it needs to take a breath. But maybe not. I would actively trade these dips. Trying to look for this continuation up to 234. Wow, hit a seller there of some unknown size. It's just getting shaky up here. Probably a pullback coming. Yeah, he's starting his own course soon. No, my dad's gonna join MMU. He's gonna. He's gonna be a mentor at MMU. They probably need him. Oh, pre-market high 239. We're probably going to go through that. Shit. There we go. There's the pre-market high breakout. You got to be trading this aggressively. Maybe not. Never mind. I got smoked. I'm a freaking failure. Just be a little careful. Try to catch the next dip. Just over and over again. Over and over again. This is 50-50, boys. I'm not making much. I'm kind of just, my attention is like half over there. But you never know. You never know. You might need to catch the break at 247. Size down, I guess, yeah, if you want. Careful. Yeah, I guess I could have got that. he won. He's going to Miami. Just imagine. It's probably gonna drop. You could. I gotta get refocused. Oh wow, I keep missing these dips. This might be more than a dip. Yeah. I learned it all from Marcelo. We actually all watched RT's channel and we learned this. I guess nowadays that's could be true, but two years ago that wasn't true. Couldn't have been true. Oh, poor guys. Fortunately chose dishonesty. I guess if I was to say it straight. That's been my experience, my opinion. I guess they can't speak for all of them, but definitely some of them. Yeah. I shouldn't be trying to buy dips. Just careful here on this pullback. Can't believe how shaky this thing is. I have to cut it there. I should have not held that trade so long. Oh no, not this kind of talk again. Oh no, farmer's about to go off. Clear the room. Close your ears, hide your kids. This is very dangerous. I bet you it's going to fail. I'm going to get out of there. That does not look good. Next time I talk about it, Mez, I'll say earmuffs. Like, earmuffs, earmuffs. It's sort of my therapy to talk about it. It's helped me kind of get over it. Clearly, this thing is on a sell-off. Lucy's back up. I don't know if I'm going to touch it. Ah. Yeah. So it goes in life. So it goes. Yeah, Mez, it's really easy to say, get over it. It's not a big deal when it hasn't happened to you. It's really easy to tell someone to get over something. Like, oh, your grandpa died? I don't know. That interesting. I got to be getting better at this ticker. This isn't a great ticker. I knew it from the start, which is why I didn't leave it. Schwab alerts. Cool. The rhythm, what's going off? Oh my gosh, Schwab, chill it. Chill it, Schwab, with the e-notifications. Holy crap. Ding, 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 Schwab, Schwab, Schwab. So I gotta be paying attention. Whatever. How much did I lose on that? 14, 30, 40 bucks. Eh. This I wouldn't beat yourself up, Blair, but I understand if you're frustrated. This one has been really goofy because it's choppy, I guess is kind of the thing is it moves up and then it drops out and then it comes right back. And that sort of is very annoying. The drop down, bounce back. You know, it makes it hard to hold it, especially at the key levels where it's like, okay, this thing's probably going to break this level, but, you know, before it does, it shakes around a lot and you never know which shakeout is going to be the one that just goes straight down. Stuff. That's kind of why I'm not really taking a whole lot of trades on this one. And all throughout this section, I was sitting there focusing on my dad. I should have just traded, but oh well. He needed help. He seemed a little lost. He seemed a little lost. Well, it's on its way down, but it could get that buying pressure back up, which may continue higher through the high day, or it may just be a short pop. But you know, just I'd say give it some time. I'd say give it some time, boy. Who cares what guy they take on the next trip? They invited me on those trips and I said no because I'm like, it just, I guess maybe I'm an introvert, but I just felt like it'd be weird. So their whole idea that I'm jealous about the Trader House is beyond me. Why they think that? I guess I'll just take that. Slow exit there. Ah. You should be trading it, Dad. I gotta cut it. That's too bad. It's beyond me. So. I guess I am just an old man. Too lame to go. Do that kind of stuff. Although. You stupid. If you missed a dip, you miss it. But this one, the 5-minute short. Everybody's watching. Everybody's like, "Oh, are we good to go?" So here's a nice pullback. You might want to get a dip here and hold it. There must have been a big seller there. Who knows? I keep going back and forth talking to my dad about this. Oh, it did that. It did that thing where. But again, so right now, it's gonna be a good dip right there. It's coming lower. Catch the next dip. Next dip right there. Did you get that? I took the same trade as you. I took the $70. Man, dude, I should be up like $5 grand right now. I'm wasting my time with my dad. I should be up like $20,000 right now. This is ridiculous. No, I got to take the time to teach. I should be up $40 million right now. But I'm helping my dad, so I'm not. Lucy is going almost to the whole dollar there. Uh-oh. We know that means Mighty Goat's going to have a bajillion-dollar profit day. Where's my Discord? Off to work, Robotico says, with $80 of profit. Cool. Shut that off. I'm up about 3,000 on the day. Could be up more, I believe, with this bottoming tail, how it popped up to 233. That's the kind of trade where I could have made $1,000 maybe. Lucy is going. I'm just not a huge fan of Lucy, of the price. I've traded Lucy before, but I traded Lucy when it was like way more higher price than this. I'm trying to figure out when that was. I suppose it was a while ago. Look at that. Yeah, I remember trading Lucy when it was more like $3 a share or $5 a share. That might have been, 2 years ago. But I've traded Lucy before. It's not at this price. Which we're about to get the whole dollar. We're about to get the $1 break. Lately, $1 breaks have been very powerful. We traded Lucy not too long ago. Well, yeah, Lucy's been in play, but I'm talking about when I traded Lucy because it looks like it's been sub-dollar for a while. 20 cents back up to $1. Well, anyways, whatever the case. This thing's all over the place. Well, anyways, that's Lucy. See if you catch a dip. Nice bottoming tail here. This could go for a while. Did you get that last dip? Should have. So now we have a nice bottoming tail. And I'm taking a little risk to hold. I'm just gonna dump there. That I probably shouldn't have dumped, but I was looking for that to go there. I think I just got shaken out. Maybe not. Wow, I did not even get a fraction of what I should have gotten. Okay. I guess Frank knows more than me on that because are you saying you traded it or I traded it with real intent? I gotta charge my watch. That's unfortunate. That I like the smell of that when I take the watch off. It's like that good nasty smell. So now it's it was kind of a nice rejection off of the short sellers there, but now it's kind of hit some resistioso. But Lucy's really going. Holy crap. So this is going to be the mega squeeze. I'll see if I can catch my 5 cents or my 2 cents. I sold out right before the halt. I sold out because I saw the bid was going smaller, so I just exited. Wow. I was in at 109, out at 114. Could have held through the I guess I could have held through the chop. took a position right here, you know. They're trying to catch like an inverse dip. They're like, okay, popped up here, this is probably gonna win. And then what happens is flood starts going against them. That's when you're like, oh wait, now we might get the breakthrough this apex level. We're not gonna do that. So when you can kind of recognize like, oh, it's going against the other team, this is the kind of one where I want to hold it. All right, just did another lesson. Let's go back over here. This thing pops up nice. I think Blair shut down, if I remember right. I recommend everybody buy essential oil. Very nice to have while trading. Mighty Goat probably, and BMAC probably up 20K. Probably. I mean, Lucy, that's impressive. From 30 cents to $1.14 in what, an hour? 100%, 200%. That's a big move. You imagine buying $100,000 worth of that stock, and then within an hour, it's, you know, triple. But chances of catching that is pretty much impossible. So it's all about, this whole strategy is about little wins over and over again. You know, so little $5 wins with small share size is going to be $50 wins with bigger share size. You know, $10 wins with the share size you're at now is going to be $1,000 wins. Oh, here's Lucy. Lucy opened lower. Good thing I got out. Woo! Did it open lower? Ah, I want to trade it. Nah, it's a little dangerous. Halt down to 90. Ah, shoot. I should have just sold on that pop. Well, I have to go into my settings to change this. I'm maxed out at 3,600. I should be taking like 8,000 shares scalps here. That's kind of the unfortunate thing, is I should be doing way bigger scalps than this. A little bit of resistance there. We're definitely making money here on these subs. But this is not even a sub dollar anymore. It's $1. Just kind of nice. No! I jittered on my finger. And I sold ask when I wasn't really wanting to. Wow, Lucy down. So I had about 500 bucks there, just kind of messing around with small size. I've only taken 43,000 shares of buy orders, 43,000 of sell. So that's not a very much volume. you know, where some people may have 500,000. Hold down on this one. Wow. Brutal, brutal. So 35.46 on the day.